Alright, so what we're showing you here is the inside has been based out, and we're going to start in with base around the whole quarter panel and the hole outside, the cowl, and more base on the inside, and then we'll get some clear coat on it. It'll look sharp. It'll be completely painted here this morning, which will allow us to start to populate it, as we say, with all the products that we've already worked on. Brackets, wiring harness, seats, roll cage, things of that nature. So a lot of things are going to happen as we move forward.